ஆளுமைமிக்க அரசியல்வாதியாக பியோர் பாலிடிக்ஸ் பயிற்சி பட்டறை நேரடி இணைய வழி வகுப்புகள் உங்கள் சீட்டிற்கு முந்துங்கள் 7338824242.
Prime Minister Modi ka
ये सही परंपरा नहीं। आप अपनी बात कहें और दूसरे पक्ष की बात न सुने। ये लोकतांत्रिक मर्यादा के अनुरूप नहीं है। आप सब लोग धैर्य से सुने। प्लीज प्लीज आप बोले।
So, now if we come to how the world responded, I think
प्लीज नहीं रिकॉर्ड पे नहीं जा रहा है। आप दूसरे की बात सुनने को तैयार नहीं है। आप दूसरा पक्ष सुनते नहीं है। प्लीज आप अपना पक्ष कहते हैं, दूसरे का भी सुनिए प्लीज।
in terms of the UN, in terms of the global response, I think most noteworthy was the UN Security Council statement. That statement was very noteworthy because Pakistan was a member of the council. We are not members of the council. Despite not being members of the council, we were able to get the UN Security Council to issue a statement.
बार मैं आपसे अनुरोध कर रहा हूं, कृपया सीट पर बैठकर इस तरह से न चिल्लाएं, न कमेंट्री करें। मैं अनुरोध कर रहा हूं, डू नॉट फोर्स मी प्लीज। प्लीज असंसदीय शब्दों का इस्तेमाल न करें। प्लीज बैठ जाइए। आप बोले प्लीज।
So the UN Security Council on the 25th of April, और ये सर आप सोचे कि हम सदस्य नहीं थे, पाकिस्तान सदस्य था, उसके बावजूद our diplomacy was able to get the UN Security Council to issue a statement underlying the need to hold the perpetrators, organizers, financiers and sponsors of Pahalgam act of terrorism accountable and bring them to justice. Now, not only that, sir, in this period, if you look, because lot of comments were made yesterday, how good was Indian diplomacy? आपके कितने लोगों को समझा पाए, कितने लोगों को इनकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग सपोर्ट क्या थी? Sir, we had a statement from Quad, we had a statement from BRICS. वो बहुत अलग-अलग ग्रुप थे, but yet Quad was specific in condemning the terrorist attack in Pahalgam and repeating the call of the UN Security Council to bring the perpetrators and organizers to justice without any delay. In the case of BRICS, so the very BRICS which after Mumbai 26/11 could not even use the word cross-border terrorism. आप लोग डिप्लोमेसी की बात कर रहे हैं, आपने मुंबई की बात उठाई नहीं वहां। अब वो लोग जो मुंबई पे चुप रहे, आज सर ज्ञान दे रहे कि हम लोगों को क्या करना चाहिए। और अगर आप ब्रिक्स में देखें, BRICS has a specific reference to cross-border movement of terrorists,
nothing is going on record, please,
and safe havens. Sir, आगे देखें सर, we were able to get Central Asian countries.
Please.
We were able to get Central Asian countries to oppose providing safe haven using terrorist proxies for cross-border terrorism financing. We were able to give Indian Ocean rim countries. We were able to get Germany. We were able to get France. We were able to get European Union. We were able to get Russia. Sir, अगर आप रशिया का देखें, President Putin has said that this brutal crime has no justification whatsoever and its perpetrators will face a deserved punishment. So, sir, I want to say that in terms of diplomatic support, we were able to get a wide range of countries, including our neighbors. Every one of our neighbors, barring Pakistan, issued a statement expressing solidarity, condemning Pahalgam. So, a lot of them said explicitly that people should be brought to justice. So, I do want to say that in terms of diplomatic understanding of what was happening, that
Let me speak. People are on this matter. No. आप सभी लोग एक साथ खड़े होंगे. मैं पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर किसको अलाउ करूं? I cannot. Please. You all sit. Please. Yes, Susmita ji, tell me. Honorable Minister, just a minute. You tell me. Point of
Sir,
order.
Rule 240, irrelevance or repetition.
You
The
No.
chairman, after having called
Not
attention of
no,
the person
please.
to the
The
sir,
chairman
he is
is a-
repeating
please.
everything that is.
Honorable Minister, it's irrelevant. Please. Please take your seats. Honorable Minister.
ठीक है सर, डिस्टर्ब नहीं होते.
आप कंटिन्यू करिए. आप
अब
continue.
सर मैं सर डिस्टर्ब वो लोग होते हैं वो डिस्टर्ब वो लोग होते हैं जब सर हम हिस्ट्री की बात करते हैं, सच्चाई की बात करते हैं, रिकॉर्ड की बात करते हैं, जब तुलना होती है तो बहुत डिस्टर्ब होते हैं. तो सबको समझना चाहिए. सर lot of questions have been raised about how Operation Sindoor progressed. I don't want to say very much. I just make 4 points. One, anybody who wants to see, who wants to judge what was the success of Operation Sindoor, please go to YouTube and look at the funerals which were taking place in Pakistan. When you see whose funeral, who's attending, you get the answer. Number 2, if you are still not satisfied, please go to YouTube again and please look.